Welcome to this video on SAP Business One for inventory management. Learn how this powerful solution helps businesses improve stock accuracy and significantly reduce operational costs. Managing million-dollar inventory assets on disconnected spreadsheets is risky. Growing companies often jeopardize their operations by relying on manual, fragmented systems to track physical stock. Poor inventory management creates a massive hidden cost. Like an iceberg, the issues you see, such as stock shortages, are just the tip. Under the surface, inaccuracies lead to errors and inefficient production. When inventory data is isolated, the entire company suffers. A single mismatch creates a ripple effect. Sales, purchasing, finance, and production all end up operating in the dark. SAP Business One offers a single source of truth. By integrating inventory, sales, purchasing, and finance into one ERP platform, your entire organization gains access to consistent, real-time data. Experience real-time visibility that eliminates guesswork. With SAP Business One, you'll know your exact stock levels across every warehouse, leading to better order fulfillment and smarter, data-backed decisions. Gain centralized control over distributed locations. Whether you have multiple warehouses or branches, this platform unifies your operations, ensuring better stock allocation and improved warehouse efficiency. Ensure quality and compliance with end-to-end traceability. Using batch and serial number tracking, companies in highly regulated sectors can execute instant product recalls and maintain complete operational transparency. Make smart purchasing decisions based on actual demand. The built-in material requirements planning engine analyzes inventory levels to automatically recommend when and how much to buy, preventing shortages and excess costs. Achieve faster, error-free transactions. By integrating barcode scanning directly into SAP Business One, you can turn physical warehouse movements into instant digital records, boosting accuracy and staff productivity. Turn inventory data into actionable insights. Real-time dashboards provide management with visibility into valuation, stock aging, and performance, helping you refine purchasing and reduce carrying costs. SAP Business One functions as a continuous, automated ecosystem. Every feature, from barcode scanning to MRP, works in concert to power your business processes forward seamlessly. Compare the status quo with the capabilities of SAP Business One. Moving away from manual, delayed spreadsheet updates to real-time, AI-driven automation provides a clear competitive advantage. Consider the transformation of an auto parts manufacturer. By switching from manual updates to SAP Business One, they resolved stock mismatches and achieved smoother production across all their locations. Build a scalable foundation with Kabeer Consulting Group. As a global SAP partner, we provide the expertise needed to optimize your warehouse processes. Contact us today for a free demo and consultation.